Hi everyone, this is Shaurya and you're watching Money Time at Money9, where we will tell you all the news that impacts your pocket. So let's begin. As expected, various lenders have increased lending rates after RBI hiked repo rate by 50 basis points on Friday. HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, PNB, Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank have all raised their lending rates in the recent past. HDFC has raised the base lending rate to 8.1%, while Bank of Baroda has raised interest rate on all retail loans to 7.95%. ICICI Bank has hiked its base lending rate to 9.1%. Now, if we talk about Canara Bank has hiked its repo rate linked lending rate by 50 basis points to 8.3%. After the rate hikes, home loans, auto loans and various other types of retail loans will become costlier. On top of it, according to media reports, people should not expect banks to increase interest rates on FDs in tandem with the lending rates, as banks are currently sitting on piles of deposits. Talking about costlier home loans, we have delighted news for you for all those who are waiting to buy their dream home. Developers are helping home buyers in reducing the burden of interest payment on home loans. If you have booked a flat in any of the 9 select projects of Tata Housing, then no matter what your rates are on the bank charges, you will only be required to pay EMIs at the ROI of 3.5% in first year of loan tenure. If you have booked a flat in any of the selected projects of Lodha Group, then the interest rate will be maximum of 6.99%, irrespective of charged by the bank. While Ranval Group is on giving 1 year holiday on EMI payment, the balance would be paid by the developers itself. But these offers are valid only for a limited period. Next up, we have news from the bond market. According to Business Daily, the Economic Times, mutual fund houses are looking to buy long duration bonds. Now, according to mutual fund managers, financial instruments such as bonds have become attractive because of the various decisions taken by the Monetary Policy Committee on Friday, which is 5th August 2022. The Government of India's 10-year bond yield rose by 2% on Friday to close at 7.3%. Even on Monday, the bond yield was up by 0.05% and closed at the same price. Now, fund managers have said that long duration bonds are expected to yield higher return than even the fixed deposits. And according to various media reports, investors have an opportunity to earn more returns on liquid funds than savings account. Talking about mutual funds, people in India have relentlessly invested in mutual funds for the last 17 months. Since March 2021, people have invested more in mutual funds than redeemed. This is according to data of Enfield. Interestingly, benchmark indices have not given good returns in last 1 year. Even then, this has not deterred the spirits of retail investors. Another striking feature is that from July 2020 to February 2021, more people choose to redeem units than invest. Although the stock market had given a good returns during this period. You must be wondering why companies have not launched IPOs for a long time now. In fact, for the past 2 months, not a single IPO has hit the market. Till now, in the current financial year, only 11 companies have gone for the IPO. Well, market watchers say the companies are waiting for ongoing volatility in the stock market to settle before they go for IPOs. They felt this was not the right time for IPOs. 17 companies have got SEBI's approval to float their IPOs this year, but they are playing wait and watch game. Once situation improves on the ground, the stock market will begin to flood again with IPOs. In the previous financial year, 52 companies had brought their IPOs and raised more than 1 lakh crore rupees. Talking about IPOs, after a drought of more than 2 months, finally a company is bringing its IPO. Electronic manufacturing services firm Sirma SGS Technology on Monday said it will come out with its 840 crore rupees initial share sale on August 12. The company has fixed a price band of 209 to 220 rupees. Investors can apply for public issue till August 18. 35% of issue is reserved for the retail investors. The clients of these companies include TVS Motor Company, Eureka Forbes, etc. Well, another company has filed preliminary papers with SEBI to raise funds through IPO. We are talking about Fincare Small Finance Bank that has refiled its IPO paper. This time, the offer for sale is 625 crore rupees. The promoters will also be offloading their stake sale in the initial share sale. The Small Finance Bank had earlier filed IPO paper which was more than double its size. It had secured SEBI's approval as well, but due to some reason, the financial institution failed to float its share sale offer. Now, According to SEBI, a firm gets 1 year to hit the primary market after receiving its approval for IPO. In case a firm fails to launch IPO within 1 year, then it has to refile the prospectus. Same thing has happened with the FinCare. Now, if you are planning to buy a car, then the coming days may be the best time for you. Ahead of festive season, car companies have started to roll out discounts of up to 75,000 rupees. Let's check out some of those. Toyota is giving discount in the range of 40,000 to 75,000 rupees on urban cruiser, while Maruti is giving discount in the range of 9,000 to 64,000 rupees on Espresso, VXI, Celero VSI and Swift AGS, whereas customers can get discount in the range of 20,000 to 40,000 on Tata Motors Tiago, Tigor, Harrier and Safari. Going forward, more auto manufacturers are expected to roll out various types of offers and discounts in the country. Talking about car, people have always liked buying entry-level cars in India, but these days SUVs have become favorite for most of the people. This is evident from the fact that the share of entry-level cars in passenger vehicle segment has been continuously falling for the last 2 years. Sale of Alto 800 has fallen by more than half in as many days. So has been the fall of sale of Renault Kwid. The overall share of entry-level cars have fallen from 46.6% to 35% in the last 2 years. Now, if we talk about two-wheelers, in this segment also the sale of 100cc bike and 125cc bikes have continuously failed in last 1 year. According to experts, the share of first-time vehicles are falling in the country because they have become unaffordable for the middle class group. It will be only if their income rise or price of such vehicles fall that people will again start buying the entry-level vehicles in India. Now, let's come to the last story. Two-wheeler manufacturer Royal Enfield has launched a new two-wheeler Hunter 350 at ex-showroom price of 1.5 lakh rupees. You will get two trims of this motorcycle, Retro and Metro. The two-wheeler boasts of 349cc engine. It will give a top speed of 114 km per hour and mileage is 36.2 km per liter. Well, that's all for today on Money Time at Money9. For more such videos, keep watching Money9 English YouTube channel. Do download the Money9 app and like and follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram.